The best place to relax isn't usually next to an outlet. My name is Kate with WTI, and this is the Snailax Cordless Neck and Back Massager. This has a built-in rechargeable battery, so this means you can have your massage anywhere you're comfortable, your living room, your bedroom, in the car even. It uses 4D Shiatsu massage nodes. It has 3 different intensity levels, so you can choose exactly how firm you want your massage. As an added bonus, it also has 2 built-in vibration motors with 3 different modes, so you can also have vibration along with your shiatsu massage. It's also heated, and that of course is adjustable too, so you can really choose exactly what feels most comfortable. Each session has an automatic turn off time after 15 minutes, but you can turn it off whenever you want using the handy little remote. When it's fully charged, you have up to 2 hours of use before you have to plug it in again. So if you're looking for something that doesn't take up a whole lot of room, that you can take with you absolutely anywhere, but that's going to give you a really comfortable, customized massage, I think you're going to love this, and that's my point of view.